Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best face gift box on the market, the Hamiggaa Explosion Box Gift. This unique DIY photo explosion box is a creative and heartfelt way to surprise your loved ones on any special occasion, whether it's an anniversary, birthday, Valentine's Day, wedding, or even Christmas. At first glance, this box looks like a simple, elegant gift wrapped with a ribbon. But the magic happens when you open it. The box unfolds to reveal multiple layers that explode outward, showcasing your carefully arranged photos and messages in a flower-like display. It's a beautiful way to tell a story or commemorate memories in a way that feels both personal and artistic. What makes the Hamiggaa Explosion Box stand out is its versatility. Inside the box, you'll find a smaller surprise gift box nestled in the center. This is the perfect spot to tuck in a special gift. It could be a ring, a watch, perfume, or any small meaningful item. This feature adds an extra layer of excitement and surprise, making the entire experience unforgettable. The package comes complete with everything you need to get started. You get the DIY explosion box itself, the small surprise gift box that fits inside, a ribbon, stickers, 2 paper flowers, double-sided tape, 7 black fun magic cards, and a red paper heart. All these elements allow you to customize the box with your own photos, notes, and decorations, turning it into a truly personalized gift. Assembling the explosion box is straightforward. The product includes a paper instruction sheet to guide you through the process, but many find it helpful to check out tutorial videos online for a smoother experience. Once assembled, the box measures about 5 inches in length, width, and height, making it a perfect size to carry and present. The material used is sturdy cardboard, designed to hold up well as a keepsake. The box comes in a sleek black color which adds a touch of sophistication to the entire presentation. The neutral black tone also ensures that your photos and decorations really pop, giving your creation an elegant look. This explosion box isn't just a photo album, it's a gift that captures emotions, memories, and surprises all at once. Whether you want to showcase your favorite travel moments, celebrate a wedding, mark a graduation, or just create a romantic gesture, this box offers a creative canvas to express your feelings. In summary, the Hamiggaa Explosion Box Gift is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to make an impact with their gift giving. It combines creativity, personalization, and surprise into one neat package. If you're searching for a gift that goes beyond the ordinary, this exploding love box might just be the perfect option for you. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.